check me out. Yo, some people know me as a stripper hoe. The stripper hoes get the money in real digits though. A lot of bitches talking down on me like I'm a joke. Talk shit, I fucking man, send him back hella broke.
What? Was y'all feeling that intro? Listen, I'm not a stripper hoe. But I put it together and that's what I like. I am a married woman, okay? That's what I want to put. That's what I like. But I'm feeling it. Are y'all feeling it? Let me know. Because I never had an intro. And I think that one is, I think it's nice. I don't know. I think I did pretty damn good. But let's continue. So, hey y'all. Today I'm going to show you my thrift store haul. And I got some really, really cute stuff. So you may want to stay tuned. So I'm infatuated. I love jackets, and this is a Jordache vintage jacket. What I like about it is, you see that? Look at the back though. And guess how much it was? $7. So this is one, and like I said, I love the thrift store, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the jackets that I got. I might have to do part 2, one with clothes and this won't be jackets, okay? So this is the next one. I love this. Let me show you that. And this one was $7 too. And the detailing is really, really nice. I love it. This is another one. This I mean, it is a jacket, but they just put a lot of, it's patchwork. So, but it is a jacket. This one I wanted to say was maybe $5 or $6 or whatever. But, I really like this one. Okay, and this one, let me lower it so I can get into it. This is a sailor jacket. And I already had this hat. So you know I'm going to wear this hat with it. So this is it. So I also got this fanny pack. It's like a old school. It looked like champion, like different teams from all over the world, I want to say. Also, look what I got. Authentic. Little coin part. You know it came from the thrift store. Leather. It's really nice. But this was, I want to say $1.99 or $2.99. One of them. Yeah. And that's it. Oh, I got this too. This was $3 maybe. But yeah, I wanted to come to you today. I'm like, I'm home, I'm bored, let me make a video. I know it's been a while, y'all. Like, editing take me so much time, so I know I've been MIA, but I promise to do better. I promise. But yes, this is my thrift store haul. I love the thrift store. I like regular stores too, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I like other people's stuff. I just love other people's stuff. Like, I really do. I cherish, you know, I love it. I don't know. And I'm a vintage type of chick, so I love vintage pieces. So I know this was short, but I will do a part 2 because I did get some nice clothes. I washed them the other day, so I'll do it tomorrow. But I got some really nice clothes, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, let me know below. So don't forget to like, subscribe. I said subscribe. And make sure you turn on your notifications so when I make my next video, you'll be the first to see. So thanks for watching. Peace.